Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important topic: fire safety and how to conduct a fire drill effectively. Whether at home, school, or work, knowing what to do in case of a fire can make all the difference. So, let's get started. First and foremost, it's essential to understand the importance of fire drills. These practice sessions prepare us for emergencies, ensuring that everyone knows the safest and quickest way to exit a building. Remember, the goal is to stay calm and focused. To begin, familiarize yourself with the layout of your building. Identify all exits, stairwells, and assembly points outside. This knowledge is crucial, as it helps you navigate safely during an emergency. Make sure everyone in your household or workplace is aware of these routes. Next, it's time to plan your fire drill. Choose a date and time when everyone can participate. It's best to conduct drills at different times to ensure everyone is prepared, regardless of their schedule. Communicate the plan clearly, so everyone knows what to expect. When the drill begins, sound the alarm or shout "fire" to simulate an emergency. Encourage everyone to react quickly but calmly. Remind participants to avoid using elevators and to stay low to the ground if there's smoke. This is vital for their safety. Once everyone has exited the building, gather at the designated assembly point. Take a moment to account for everyone and ensure no one is missing. This step is crucial for safety and helps identify any areas for improvement in your plan. After the drill, it's important to debrief. Discuss what went well and what could be improved. This reflection helps everyone learn and reinforces the importance of being prepared. Lastly, remember that fire safety doesn't end with drills. Regularly check smoke detectors, replace batteries, and ensure fire extinguishers are accessible and functional. Educate everyone about fire hazards and safe practices in your environment. Thank you for joining me today to learn about fire drills and safety measures. Your commitment to being prepared can save lives. If you found this information helpful, please consider following or subscribing for more valuable content. Stay safe, and remember, preparation is key.